Hi everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to maintain your car's cooling system. This is essential for keeping your engine from overheating and running smoothly. So, let's dive right in. First up, checking the coolant level. Pop the hood and locate your coolant reservoir. It's usually a translucent plastic tank with markings for min and max. Make sure the coolant level is between these two marks. If it's low, top it up with the right type of coolant for your car. Remember, never open the radiator cap when the engine is hot. Serious burns, people. Next, let's inspect the radiator. Look for any signs of leaks, corrosion, or damage. Check the hoses connected to the radiator for cracks or wear. If you notice any issues, it's best to get them fixed right away to avoid bigger problems down the road. Now, let's talk about the coolant itself. Over time, coolant can break down and become less effective. It's a good idea to flush the system and replace the coolant every 2 to 5 years, depending on your vehicle and the manufacturer's recommendations. To do this, you might want to follow a detailed guide or get professional help if you're not confident. Another crucial part of your cooling system is the thermostat. The thermostat regulates the flow of coolant through the engine. If your car is overheating or taking too long to warm up, a faulty thermostat could be the culprit. Replacing it is usually a straightforward job, but again, refer to your car's manual for specifics. Finally, keep an eye on your temperature gauge while driving. If it starts creeping into the red zone, pull over safely and turn off the engine. Let it cool down before checking the coolant level or calling for help. And that's a quick rundown on maintaining your car's cooling system. Regular checks and maintenance can save you a lot of headaches and money in the long run. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car tips. Thanks for watching, and happy driving. Yeah.